Komshi benta ka Jingrakhe lekmen ya ka singilai luat kari India ka ba prapo ka Sengsamla Nongjri Umsohlang kala Pynlong ya ka program lekmen ka ba shisngi ka bala Pynlong ka khatsan tarik unailar ar pun reu hamadan Nongjri pelun hakne ka program la Pynlong ya ki artli ki jat jingi lekai ka ba kentum ka marathon ka bala Pynlong ha ka por men step perngam ka bala sedang nadu kalat jagi road sning bat kabala penkot hadu kamadan Nongjri kabala ishim benta shirhem nadu ki khon samla ki long kemi ki long kpa ki hep ki baret bat kumju ki nong snong ki bala san bha kerta ki bala kon shakan riupho hadu nyopho snem tam kerta nangta labot pat sa kajingi lakai football kabala tip kum ka first Independence Day football tournament kabala shimbenta da baro South Likishnong kibadang ha papo jong kanongjri dorbar pelun kibakenthum kanongjri upper kanongjri Umsohlang kanongjri mission bat kanongjri maubo kabaya kajingi lakai la pelong haki art liki benta kata naga benta ki kena rin kibahapo khatsan senam kerta ne ka under 15 bat hakawai pat ka benta kadai na ka benta ki bala samla kerta bat ki bala he kerta lani kata ka senior category ka ba ka program kalalong ka bayat bait ya renti ka ba Shongkun bat ka bala pen Shongshit bat pen sngo tenat bhai ki pat ba nong snong jong baro South Likishnong ki bala poi bene shim benta bat sakhi ha ka te sngi haka porman step kum ka jing sedang ya ka program lapoi bani shim benta do chairman kanongjri dorbar pelun uba James Bond jana kum kongsan baru bela kentiu ya ka lama ka ri India kum kada ka jing play ya ka Jingrakhe ya ka singi light loy ka ri India ka ba prapo bat ubala airu ya ki jingkran habaya day bat kani ka program kamtam habai day ba ka jingmot jong ka Independence Day ka bala shim benta langru da ki long keme jong ka village organization haba phai shi jing la kai football na ki khna ren under 15 ki bala poi shi jing khon final ki long hapadeng ka nongjri upper prasha ya ka nongjri Umsohlang ka ba ka nongjri upper ka la pinlim no ya ka nongjri Umsohlang lengba da ka tie breaker bat hakaliang ki senior pat la poi bani khon final hapadeng ka nongjri upper prasha ya ka nongjri maubo ka ba ka nongjri maubo ka la pinlim no ya ka nongjri upper da shigol la non hakaba penkot ya kate ka program lekman lapoi bani shimbentalang do officer in charge ka umsning police station ushri kamrul islam ko mukongsan ka kongkenjai seliang kum kasembut kongsan nalor ki weipat ki he officer pulen bat ki riurang ba ki long kemi ki khon samla ki hep barin ki balai poi ban snok ti bat sakilang ya kate ka program lekman kabala Pynlong da ka Sengsamla Nongjri Umsohlang
hakne ka por ni sudru bakum kene kasngi ka no ka senjam ka ba fishim klawan ra ya ka e ka ba sok man adu kata-kata ha ka ba kum kene kasngi ladangi kem triangin ban kemau ki por kisnam ki balalek ni shpelong ya kene kasngi sudha kasngi lekai kasngi bam khana bat kum ta ter kadang ikan mau kapor julang kena kadang kata ka benta ka bangi jule akan ngasih Teleba ka jingjai jo kapor bat kismi ngidang mi kinong yalam ngidang mi kisamla rang ba ki basyai ka jimut ka jing perkhat hakaban light na kita ke kiban ra ka jisniu na ka bata jo nga bat jong pi handai kila shem ne ka senjam ban lum ban lang yang apa depi hang ne po snong hang ne hamadan da ka ne ka banta ka bangini lum lang namo step kila pelong ya ka marathon bon na pada jong pi kila shem banta dan kibla job dan kibla syaram Tementa kadai ka benta ka baar ka na ka program ka jungki ka pelong ya kadai ka football tournament. Nadu mapi ki happy berit ki under 14 sibet ki senior. Tingi sukumen hadu ka tata nak benta ka Sengsamla Nongjri Umsohlang ka blashim ya kadai ka senjam ka baundra ya kata ka jingi tuli ka jingi ik kamtam ban pe song ya ka jingi long kawe Shongshit hau jong ka Nongjri pelon hi para kawe ka bakan prop ya saw tuli ki shnong. Thì xây xin số comment ai cũng play số mũ ya pi ka Sengsamla Nongjri Umsohlang ya kene ka senjam ka population ya kene ka jingkit li ban lom ban lang yang hilang baru akane ka sngi ka baar ngai scam ba pi tip ba mata ka sngi ka de ka sngi ayu tip nam sngi yu mata sngi Independence Day ka sngi ha ka ba Kari India be ke jungi mentaka sengi ka khatsan tarik August kala yo ya ke jing sensar ke balai loj na kakti jong ki doli tingi penpauru ke jing sngongo buat ke jing skobrom ya kinongelam ki bahaswa ke jungi ki bladon kata ke jing kit kli ka responsibility na ke benta kari India ke jungi bangin long gin man hakane kurkom ke bangin long mentah bangin don la ka jong ka sensar ka khadar hapo kari India ka jungi tekum ba ki lam ki jungi ki bamenswa bagi mau yo matma kan di neta Chandra Bose patui ki we ki badon ni ka banta ban ya fight ban ya le nak banta ka jing lai lut jong kari India ka jungi jamanga ban ma piro mokum ki nong shishnong jong ka Nongjri pelun hi borok ko we leng ba jong ka Sengsamla Nongjri Umsohlang ka bla shim ya ka ne ka senjam nga ban mapiru ngidi bandon ke jingkit kli na banta ka snong ka thau ka jungi ngi ya ka jing tre sitom jong pi ki samla jong ka Nongjri Umsohlang ki samla kentei ki samla senrang ki badang kiu mo kane ka jing don ka jong pi ban i jala ka jong ka snong ban shem ya kane ka senjam ka de ka ba wanra ka jing hikai na banta kini ki hap ki barit ki ban long ki lawai nak benta ka Snong Nongjri pelon ke jungi temangaban mapi hala ibor jing snopu ide bendon ka benta ka bakrau da benta ka Snong Nongjri pi ka Snong Nongjri ke jungi kalong kumne kemba kalong benta mo ngikermen scam leng ba ka jing nang he nang san ke jung pi ki hap ke beret ki samla senrang bat kente pindon ro ka jing kitli halade simet ban pin kentiu yalade ha ka jing pule puti ke jung pi ha ki kadan ba pinang kiu syakmat bat sajrong ke jing nang kiu ki samla ki kenthe bat senrang ha ki kadan pule kaunra ka borom bat ke jing syai ke Snong Nongjri pelon ke jungi tengi kerman skam na ka Snong Nongjri pelon nangi ke noyalam kumju kini ki lang kemi badan lang agne ngikit bok kerwang pi ki samla jong ka Nongjri Umsohlang bat kini ki hap ke beret ba kane ka senjam kane ka ji pelong ya kane ka program mandakasni kamla dei tang bangin share kemen ngini sobha handai ka di banon ra ya uso jong ka jing etli bat ka jing ete song kum shishnong shithau
snew hakaba hakum kini kisngi bon na ki khun samla ki jungop bat ki hap hak jing pen shoy ki bala ban ra i jing men saw bat kino jing jak ki ba so si ru le se ka jing em ki jongi rei da ka jing Pynlong jong ka Sengsamla Nongjri Umsohlang ya kini ki cha jing pen le kai na ka benta jong phila ban lai na kini ki jing snew ki ba la ban pen thut bat ban yalam bak lai phi sharum shaneng ka jing don rangkat ka jong phi ha ka ni ka madan le kai ka pen shit ka pen shngai ya ka snong ka thau bat kum ju ru ka ai man sim kham tam kini ki hep ki baret ki badang dei ban kiu kham tam bakin light na kini jing snew ki ba ap thap ha ka jing em ki jong ki ni tip bak jing snew ka leng sau dong ki ju ap thap ya ki khun hep ki baret bat ki khun samla rei ka jing Pynlong jong phi ka nek program ka la ban pen light ya ki na kita jing snew bat ngai khu play ru ki sa ka jing don kat jong ki
30th Independence Day of India, and you are all aware what is freedom, what is Independence Day. So I really very happy and glad to see all Kong of the Nongjri village Darbar and youths came together to celebrate the spirit of freedom. And thank you once again for the organizing committee to organize such a wonderful event where the Gen Z, today's Gen Z, they have proved already, they are the strongest pressure group of India, Gen Z. So you are Gen Z, you can do anything in right way if you want. The main thing is you have to want. If you set a goal and if you want, I want to be this, no one can stop you. If you want from your heart. And it's very important. That's why I extend my special thanks to the organizer to organize this special event. Because nowadays we know and we seeing is Umsohlang also. Slowly Umsohlang also becoming a drugs hub. It's a very dangerous problem for society, drugs. And for avoiding these drugs, we have to active. And we have to be fit. And for this kind of activities we need in society. That's why my special thanks to the organizing committee to organize this special event. And I welcome all the women, those who came to celebrate our spirit of freedom here, because women are also can play a vital role in shaping a strong society as they are growing their child as a strong boy or they are maintaining their home. It's very important to come out from home and take part in this type of activities and to grow a strong or make a strong society. And I'm also happy to see all the villagers came together to celebrate this Independence Day through this football game. This football game is a game where you can do all kind of exercise. Running is there, kicking is there, jumping is there, and it make you fit. And if you are fit, then you can do anything. You are fit for everything. If you are not fit, then you are not fit for anything. So you have to be fit. And this type of activities, not only football, all type of games are make us fit. And this is not only a games, it teaches lots of values, lots of morality like teamwork and discipline. Because we all know one man cannot play football. For playing football we need 11 players and one man also cannot goal. For goaling maybe one man can put more effort to win the match, but he has to another fellow members to pass the ball. So it teaches the teamwork, discipline also, because there is boundary. We know if come out the ball then is out. If referee whistle the ball we have to stop. These are the discipline, teamwork and sportsmanship also. Winning, both the team will play for winning only, but one team will win. And those who lose, I advance congratulate them, and because today's lose will teach you how to win tomorrow. Failure is the pillar of success. We don't forget, and we should not give up. Keep trying. the which team will lose today, they should this lose will teach them what is the loophole today's match, and they can improve, they can win tomorrow. That's why don't give up, keep going, you will shine one day.